Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to my limited box break. It is February 10th, and here's your list of winners. We had a very nice showing. A lot of different bidders this evening. So there you go. JB Fan 1 had 5 teams. I'll get to that in a minute. First, we'll zoom over to the felt board, the roulette felt board, and here is the chip placement for this evening. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chips on the board, and later on when we do that, the winner will get a mini stick of the team of their choice. So for JB, for his 5+ teams bonus, we've got a Jacob Voracek Columbus Blue Jackets SP Essentials card. We have a Luca Spiza Upper Deck Rookie Materials card, and a Kyle Okposo Threads card from Pinnacle. So that is for 5+ teams. We've got 2 short straw bonuses today, like was in the listing. Short straw bonus 1, we got a Thomas Vokoun Upper Deck game jersey, a Mika Kiprasov Ultra Uniformity from Fleer, and a pack of artifacts. And in short straw bonus 2, we've got a Ray Emery Upper Deck jersey, a Craig Anderson Upper Deck game jersey, and a pack of artifacts. So that is number 2. Before we get to the box, which is right here, we will spin the wheel to determine a free team for the evening. So here we have our digital bonus board with numbers on it. Here's our wheel, and we will spin for the first time this evening. That was quick, and number 21. So number 21, let's go over here. Behind door number 21 is the Carolina Hurricanes. So congrats to the Canes. You've got yourself a free team. And that would be Felix Victoria. So congratulations, Phyllis. I'll refund that one to you as soon as possible. So our box for this evening is NE99276679. So we will open her up. Checklist, pack, empty box. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Just adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, there we have our cards. So we'll start at the front. So first up we have, for the Chicago Blackhawks, we have a Jonathan Taves, and that is numbered 232 out of 299. Up next, for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene, and that is numbered 17 out of 299. 17. And for the Boston Bruins, we have a Bernie Parent, and that one is numbered 210 out of 299. Our first card with the jersey swatch is for the LA Kings. That is Anze Kopitar, and that one is numbered 18 out of 99. 18 out of 99. Fun hit for the Kings. Up next we got, for the Buffalo Sabres, Tyler Myers. And that is number 16 out of 99. 16. Pulling from the back. For the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry, banner season. And that is numbered 9 out of 25. Let's get it to focus there. 9 out of 25. So nice low numbered card there. Corey Perry for the Ducks. And the last card for the Vancouver Canucks, Cody Hodgson, Phenom's rookie card. And that is numbered 212 out of 299. It's a nice hit there for Elk Killer. Cody Hodgson rookie card coming to you. Alright, so that is the limited. So now we will jump over to the prize board. So here we got our prizes. I'll spin the wheel to reveal one. And then we'll give it away. Alright, that is number 16. Number 16. So, behind spot number 16 is, wow, you cannot read that at all. You get the hint. Braden Shen debut threads card. Yeah, watch this. Display performance, high quality. That's better. Braden Shen debut threads card. So that one is right here. Debut threads card, Brookie Shen, numbered 139 out of 200. So we will jump over to the bonus board again, and we'll spin again to see who gets it. And that is number 24. And behind number 24 is the Ottawa Senators. So congrats to 2010 Derek 80. That one's coming to you. Alright, short straw time. Okay, so here is short straw 1 and short straw 2. First of all, we will look through the hits and we'll take out the teams that got hits from the chip pile. Then we'll put these chips into a cup and shake it around. Vancouver's out, so they got a hit. Anaheim is out. Buffalo is out. And LA is out. Boston is out. Colorado is out. Chicago is out. And that was all of the hits from the box. 7 unique cards. So we will just get you a nice view of the whole table there. Alright, so here's our cup. And we'll just start tossing chips into the cup. I'd play a little ditty here, but just to give you a little bit of entertainment music. I don't have any. Alright, so there they are all in the cup. I'm going to shake that around. And we're going to pull one. So, for number 1, the Pittsburgh Penguins will take home no hit bonus number 1. And number 2, the Washington Capitals. So Cap's got number 2. Alright. So that is the short straw bonus. Time to see if we hit anything on the roulette board. So we spun these numbers here, 21, 16, and 24. 21, 16, and 24. So we got no hits. I'm going to spin the wheel twice to see if I can give you guys a little bit more of a chance. We'll spin 1. So that landed on number 15. And number 15 doesn't have a chip. So we'll spin it one more time. And that is number 33. Number 33. And on the board, no 33. So no stick this week. But we'll try to get that next week. And now for the most exciting part of the evening. As if it hasn't been that exciting enough. We will bring out the roulette cage, or the bingo cage. So if you forget what it looked like from last week, or if you just haven't been paying attention, this is what the board looks like. Last week, out of 10 marbles, we only hit 1. So there's a better chance this week that we'll hit some. So like I also said on the board, I will be choosing 5 marbles each continuous week until the board gets full. So we'll just go on from here. As 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So marble number 1 is N33, and there's no N33 on there. Next up, N31. It works sometimes. There we go, N31. But there is no N31 on there. So the next up, we have N41. No N41. 064. And we do have 064 on the board. So we will drag over a Jets token, place it on the board. And last but not least, N43. N43. And there's nothing there either. So that's it for today, I believe. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for your quick payments. And we got some nice hits. I particularly like this Cody Hodgson rookie card. I'm just going to show it again because it's really nice. Canucks are one of my favorite teams along with the Jets. And I'm really glad that this card can go to somebody who will appreciate it. So there you go, Justin. Alright, that is the break for this week. And wish you guys a good weekend. And see you guys next week.